Hello world guys, we are today in popular famous hotspot in Seminyak. It's called Potato Head Seminyak.
In London drunk at night, in LA picking fights, I think we have done it all.
This kinda already old beach club. It's actually restaurant, bar, beach club in Seminyak. It's already 15 years on the market, so I believe many of you guys are familiar with this area. Also, we got so many requests to be here, and here we go. Yes, today is the day. So we are going to world famous Potato Head. That's actually maybe not world famous. They have in the Singapore and in Bali, but it's very popular spot. And they have a very nice entrance. Little guy, what is this? This is actually funny. Oh yeah, they have so many recycled things. So this is plastic boat, recycle boat, little like a transformer, because they are like
made of the plastic.
Made from the plastic chair. And they also have a don't leave your sandal, Della. But you can leave it. How many sandals? 5,000? 5,000. No, I'm fine. I'm gonna grab some drink. Okay, thank you. 5,000.
In London drunk at night, in LA picking fights, I think we have done it all. She knows me in and out, love of a different kind, but we still have no control. Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends, baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers.
Dogs are not happy.
Okay guys, because in the club or in the restaurant in the Potato Head is basically the music so loud, so that's why we just decide to put the, what is it called, the
B-roll.
B-roll. It's called B-roll. So yeah, just walking to the beach, and then we want to show you how the Pantai Seminyak, Pantai Peti Tengah, that's over there is Peti Tengah. Well, in this area in Seminyak, actually, I think that that one is Mano Beach House, and this one is Potato Head, and this one is Alila, if I'm not mistaken, honey. Oh, that one is Alila Seminyak. So yeah, I think that this one used to be the iconic of the party places, but nowadays slowly move to Canggu.
Alright, so it seems like it's also so many big, very gray sky over there, clouds, and seems like it's even a little bit rainy. Like
It's raining
our
already, sayang.
our microphones are not waterproof. So this is the Alila Hotel, if I'm not mistaken.
Alila Seminyak. That's Pantai Peti Tengah, and look at that, people are going back.
Because it's raining. And I think we also gonna go raining quickly because I don't wanna lose microphones. Meanwhile, enjoy a little bit of the shots from the beach club with my music, because there is like club music, so I change it.
On the weekend, on the weekend, no, we don't like to talk, we're not so good for words, that's why we don't get that far.
Ani, run, sayang!
It's raining.
Ali, quick! This cloud is gonna be huge rain. Okay, we are entering the club anyway. Oh, so rainy.
Okay guys, so because it's raining, so you see that people are moving to the building and restaurant. So yeah, we will show you later on how is the eat street in Seminyak. So yeah. Okay guys, we were in Potato Head before and then we met one beautiful couple from Singapore. Welcome to Bali guys, and yeah, now we decided to have a coffee. I got a headache little bit. So yeah, we will stop in one beautiful restaurant, the iconic restaurant in Seminyak, which is Biku restaurant. This restaurant also famous for the cake. Let's go.
Why are you laughing, sayang?
No, so I just ordered coffee and cake because this place is famous for that. Looks so good.
Biku famous for coffee and cake, especially if you are drinking only coffee. You can sit here on the beautiful couch. How is the cake? Nice? Always nice. This is not endorsement anyway. Our full entire video today looks like it's me endorsing all day long somebody, but no, we didn't get anything for free or anything like that, guys.
We just show you how it is.
Exactly.
It's just dinner time, and you know, when it was a normal time, this place was packed of the foreign tourists. But you see now when I can say Bali is already open for tourism, but seems like Seminyak is still the same. I mean, it's not much the hype like in Canggu. So what we can say that I think that the tourism trend nowadays, everything just moved to Canggu.
So we are in the restaurant, as here is actually pretty busy, quite many people around, and in the beach club in Potato Head just next door actually was also very busy, but the streets for some reason looks...
It's not as busy as in Canggu, so look at these beautiful flowers, and the restaurant is so nice inside, and so many artistic things inside, and beautiful. So this is how it is Seminyak at night. Seems like only the traffic is just like, you know, motorbike or cars passing around, but for the pedestrian, I mean like in the walking path, we didn't see so much people walking, you know, like sightseeing, something like that, but mostly, you know, in Potato Head.
Behind you is somebody.
Oh, just behind me only two. Only it was in the Potato Head, and also in the restaurant, in Biku restaurant, in Red Ruby, only some.
And this is the like a W Seminyak popular spot and Sishi. So this is like a center of Seminyak, supposed to be super busy around, right?
So yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys, from Seminyak. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Will we end just like this? Will we find hope?